On this episode of Inside PureCycle, we head to North Carolina to visit Beverly Knits. They're the first fiber company to introduce polypropylene thread made from PureCycle resin into their products.
We spent a lot of time talking about where our product is going to go. And we discussed film, we've discussed fiber, we've discussed all of these different applications. We've shown you some of them too in our earnings call and at the Ironton Showcase. Well, I had an opportunity today to go out to one of our partners, Beverly Knits, and actually show you how our pellet turns into a spool and then turns into a product that goes to people's homes. Well, let's go inside and have a look. We're actually inside the factory at Beverly Knits, and I gotta tell you, I love seeing how things are made. I mean, there's so many moving parts and so much stuff happening, and there's little pods of activity all over the place. And so what you see here is actually our pellets turned into spool. Okay, so these spools will feed into the machine. So you can imagine how challenging it is for fiber, right? Because all this is really, really thin stuff. And so if you have contaminants, like little imperfections, then the strand can break. And that's really where the problems are with fiber. And so the value of having PureCycle product is we remove CP1 and we remove CP2. And by doing that, it gives us a much more reliable product that can then get turned into spools. And these spools, they have to be reliable because if they break, you can see how challenging it is for the operation. So these spools are all laid up here, and you can see we have a dark brown, and we have a beige, and we have a white. And all of these spools are feeding up into little tubes that move over into the machine. All right, now this machine is just really cool, okay? So check this out. All of these threads will move all of these spindles and down into the machine. And I don't know how much time you've spent studying a sewing machine, but I can never figure those things out. There's so many moving parts, it's so unique. Well, this is like a massive sewing machine. There's thousands of needles moving up and down and controlled by magnets. And all of our thread comes in and it gets maneuvered in a way to make a specific design. And so all these threads come in, they get knitted into our design, and then right down below, you end up with our product going into a real application that can turn into a rug. Now this one is like beige, brown, and white. The one that we showed before was blue and white and different colors. And so this is just really cool because you can see this sitting in your living room right now, and it's made out of PureCycle product. It's made out of recycled product, and that's just something that the fiber market hasn't been able to do yet. All right, let's now move over to another portion of the plant, and let's talk about where all of this fiber can go. What markets does it go into? And we'll also get a chance to talk to Parker Seitz, who is one of the principals at Beverly Knits, and he can really tell you how excited he is about where all this product is going to be used in his operation. So we're really excited to be with Parker today to understand a bit more about what you do and how your business runs and all the different places that you can move into.
Absolutely, Dustin. Thank you all for being here. We're really excited to show all the different areas that PureCycle John can go in. We're the largest circular knitter in the U.S. and we manufacture for automotive, industrial, apparel applications, bedding applications, really kind of anything and everything that a circular knit goes into, we manufacture for. And it's been phenomenal to see how well PureCycle's yarn is able to be plug and played into each of those applications. We've seen very little difference between what non-recycled polypropylene runs and how PureCycle's yarn runs. And that consistency is key in helping us drive our customer adoption from our own customers. And we're excited to see in the future how we can continue to grow this market and this business, and think there's endless opportunities.
And when you talk to your customers about their desire to use recycled material, is there a draw for that right now?
There absolutely is. And I think, being green and having a sustainable mindset is continually growing and will forever grow until we have 100% adoption at some point. But yes, our customers are always looking for new ways to cut down on trying to reduce, reuse, and recycle. I think that's a big story that we continue to see every day and are asked about every day by our customers.
Parker, look, I just want to say thank you for such a great tour today. It was
eye-opening to see the scope and scale of your operation. It was really fun to see how it all works together. And for me, every time I get to go learn something new about how somebody makes something, it makes me happy. So this was a great day for us.
You know, I think it's exciting to be able to see where some of these products come from that are so integral in their lives. And, you know, they really don't think about the fact that, hey, this is still made in the USA. This is still made in North Carolina. And we're excited and proud to continue on production of U.S.-made textiles.
Today we had a great opportunity to walk around with Parker and Beverly Knits to see where our pellets are turning into tangible goods that are going to end up in households, okay? But this is just the tip of the iceberg, and we're going to have lots more opportunities to share with you the journey of PureCycle and where our pellets are going in the world.
PureCycle. One goal, a pure planet.